Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you are also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. This is Santanu in front of you once again. First of all, many thanks who are watching my video and who have subscribed my channel. I belong to village area. Can I learn this language? What should I do for learning this language? Yes, I belong to village area. Right now, I am being able to speak English little bit. There is no problem. I can communicate with another person who belong to another state, who belong to another country. There is no problem. But you are brilliant students. You are educated person. You know all grammatical rules. Definitely you will learn this language. But today I will share 5 tips and tricks which are very important for learning this language. If you follow these rules, you can learn this language very easily. First of all, I am telling you I belong to village area, and during my study, I was very weak in English subject. At that time, I did not know how to make a sentence in English properly, and at that time, I was very weak English subject. I never thought at that time I would learn this language. I never thought, yeah, but I have been learning this language more than 1 year. Yeah, right now I am being able to speak English with another person. But my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. That's why whenever I get free time, I always come here for practicing purpose. I know very well practice is the most important key for learning this language. Always you have to speak and always you have to open your mouth. That's why I have come here for practicing purpose. According to me, maybe you are brilliant students, you are educated person, you can learn this language very easily. What is the tips? First of all, always you have to think, how did you learn your native language? Always you have to think by listening and by speaking. At the beginning time when you learn your native language, at that time did you learn the grammar of your native language? No. At that time you did not learn any grammar of native language. Always after listening and after speaking you learn your native language. Yeah, that's why if you follow these rules, you can learn in any language. Listening and speaking is the most important part for learning this language, and that's why every single day always you have to speak regular basis, and always you have to listen more and more. Maybe first time it is so difficult, because at the beginning time when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I had to face a lot of problem for speaking English. At that time I watched so many video on the YouTube channel, and at that time while watching English content on the YouTube channel, at that time I noticed that I could read properly, I could write properly, I could understand properly, but I could not speak properly. While speaking English, I got stuck. Yeah, and that's why it is happened. It is not my mother tongue, and in my surrounding there is no good English environment. No one speak English. No one speak English in my locality. No one speak English at my house. That's why in my locality, at my house, there is no good English environment. That's why it is happen. But no problem. By practicing, you can remove your hesitations. Yeah, always you have to speak and always you have to open your mouth. Speaking is the most important part. And the last 1 year, I have been practicing. Whenever I get free time, I always try to speak with another person. Nowadays, in my village area, there is no one who is speaking English, and I can communicate with another person. Yeah, nowadays I use another application for practicing purpose. If you go to the Play Store, There are so many application. There are so many application in the Play Store. From there you can install this application. CV, Experiency, those kind of application. There are so many application, and after downloading this application, you can use it properly every single day, and you can see there are so many there are so many learner. They are waiting over there. Yeah, you can connect with another person just few seconds. Yeah, as far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time I used to use those kind of application, and using that application every single day I used to talk 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But nowadays I don't use those kind of application. Nowadays I always speak in front of camera. I always use my mobile phone. Using the using this phone, I am practicing in front of camera. I always speak whatever I see, and wherever I go and whatever I see, I always try to speak English. After that I record the video, and after recording the video, I I find out what kind of mistake I was doing while speaking English. After that I have to rectify. Yeah, in this way also I am improving my English skill day by day. But most important is listening and speaking. Always you have to listen, and always you have to speak. And yeah, you know very well there are so many tense in the English, but mostly 5 tense are very important only for speaking English. Number 1, it is present indefinite, and number 2 is present continuous, and number 3 is present perfect continuous, number 4 is past indefinite, and number 5 is future indefinite. These these five these 5 tense are very important for learning this language. Yeah, if you first of all, when you start your English speaking journey, always you have to speak just small sentence. Yeah, come here, go there. After that always you have to add another word. Come here quickly, go there fastly. Yeah, first of all, always you have to make the small sentence. After that always you have to add another word, and by practicing you can make the long sentence. Yeah, at the beginning time you will definitely, while speaking English, you will make few mistakes, but don't worry about making mistakes. Yeah, mistake is common and everyone makes mistakes. No one perfect in this world, and you always have to think you are learning a new language. It is not your native language. That's why mistake is common. Yeah, and if you make mistakes, and after making mistake you do not practice, but it is not good. But a mistake is common, but after making mistake always you have to learn, and making mistake is the way of learning this language. So don't worry about making mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. No one perfect in this world. And English is my mother tongue. It is second language. Always you have to think it is second language, and you are learning a new language. English is, how much English is important, you know very well right nowadays. And that's why most of the guardian and most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. That's why you know very well how much English is important. That's enough. All right, today. All right, nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.